Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to start affiliate marketing with zero investment. So if you have no money but you want to start a profitable online business from home, well, this is the video that you need to watch. And also you're going to want to make sure you watch this entire video until the very end, because I'm going to reveal 3 powerful tips to help you start affiliate marketing with no money. And also I'm going to show you how you can make money with affiliate marketing. And also you're going to want to watch this amazing training until the very end, because this training is very beginner friendly. So if you're new to affiliate marketing, this training is going to really help you a lot. All right, let's begin. Okay, let's begin with the 3 powerful tips on how to start affiliate marketing with zero investment. Now, before I share the 3 powerful tips, I want to quickly explain what is affiliate marketing. And if you look here, affiliate marketing is simply joining, right, or partnering with a company and to promote a product or products, and when someone buys that product that you are promoting, you earn money, you make a commission. So for example, if you partner with Amazon and you promote an Amazon product, like maybe some weight loss equipment or some exercise equipment, and if someone buys that product, you can earn a commission. That is what affiliate marketing is. All right, moving on. So tip number 1 for how to start affiliate marketing with zero investment. So tip number 1 is direct linking. Direct linking. Now let me show you what direct linking is. So for example, look here. Direct linking is this. This is what you can do, right, to start affiliate marketing with zero investment. So you can use a platform like Facebook, like YouTube, like Instagram, to generate traffic, right? And what you can do then, when you generate traffic, right, you can bring your traffic over to the affiliate product, and your affiliate product or your affiliate offer can be exercise equipment, dog products, video games, digital courses. This all depends on what you are promoting and the niche you are in. Okay, so it's all about what niche you are in and what product you are promoting. So for example, if you have a TikTok account, you can create TikTok videos, get a lot of followers, and then introduce them to your, say, affiliate product. And that affiliate product can be a digital product or anything else you are promoting. So for example, I'm going to show you an account I create on TikTok. Right, so this is an account I have. It's a fake account on TikTok, and I don't have any content here, right? But what I did here, I just create a very simple profile, and once I start creating content and I start getting followers, right, people are gonna come and they're gonna click on this little link here, and this is what direct linking is. I am linking my customers, my followers, right, to my affiliate offer, and this is my affiliate offer right here. Okay, this is my affiliate offer right here. So this is an example of what direct linking is. And going back here, I am simply linking my traffic, right, to the affiliate product. That's all. Okay, that is what direct linking is. Okay, now tip number 2 for how to start affiliate marketing with zero investment. So tip number 2 is to do what's called email marketing. Email marketing is very powerful for not only starting affiliate marketing, but for starting a profitable online business. And I'm going to show you why. Because going back here, if you create a TikTok account, and TikTok can close your account anytime they want, right? And if they close your account, then that means you cannot promote your product, right? But when you do email marketing, you have an email list, and that is yours. No one can take that away from you. So that's why email marketing is very important to do and to have, right? Okay, now I'm going to show you how email marketing works. So the way email marketing works is, all you do is you're going to create this funnel, right? You're going to create this funnel, and I'm going to show you how you can do this. You create a funnel. The second part is you collect leads. These leads, or these are emails. You collect emails, and then you send these emails a link to promote your product. And that product can be anything going back here. It can be anything here. Exercise equipment, dog products, beauty products, whatever you are promoting. And so when someone buys a product, you make money. That's how email marketing works, right? So you create a funnel, you collect these emails or leads, and then you send people that emails to promote your product, and that's how you make money. So I'm going to give you an example. So this is I'm in a weight loss niche, and this is a free report that I'm giving out to people. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what I'm doing here. So for example, I'm in a weight loss niche. I mentioned before, this is my product and I'm promoting it here. And if people want to learn how to lose belly fat, all they got to do is enter their email here, and then they will get access to this free report. Now when after they enter their email, they will receive an email from me, right? They will receive an email from me, and this is the email. This is the email I will send to people, and it says right here, download your free report. That's it. And then it gives them some instructions what to do next, and then it even tells them to join my fat loss community. I have a Facebook group, right? They can join my Facebook group, and I can also promote my affiliate products here, and I can also provide a affiliate offer here where people can buy a product. So that's why, going back here, I had mentioned that creating a funnel and collecting emails is very important, because once you get a person's email, you can send them affiliate offers, right, to your products, and then you can make money. People will sometimes buy your products and you can make money. So that is step number 2 for how to start affiliate marketing with zero investment. All right. Okay. Now, actually, there's one more part I want to mention. Now, I know what you may be thinking. Well, how do I don't want to pay for this service, right? I use a service called GetResponse. Because it's actually considered like the best funnel and email software, and it's very cheap. It's very low cost, and this is what I'm using here for my email to collect emails. But what you can do is you can use what's called Systemio. Systemio is free, and that's pretty much like the best thing about it. It's free. So if you have no money, you just go to their website, type out Systemio.io, and then right here choose the first plan. It's free, and you get access to everything: emails, funnels, blogs, memberships, everything. You can sell products. So everything I just showed you, it's all free, no money. So that's how you can start affiliate marketing for free with zero investment. Okay. All right. Now, before I move on to tip number 3, I want you to, if you like this so far, I want you to share this with a friend, share this with a family member, share this on Facebook and on other social media. Also subscribe, like, and leave a comment. All right, let's continue. Now, tip number three for how to start affiliate marketing with zero investment is you want to use Quora. Now, a lot of people don't know what Quora is, but here's a very simple answer. Quora is a question and answer website where people go to find information. So just kind of think of Quora as like a blog. So for example, many people, going back here, many people will go to Facebook, right, YouTube and Instagram for sometimes solutions to a certain problem. But a lot of times people forget that Quora is very popular. And what I'm going to show you why Quora is very popular. So I want to show you some interesting statistics about Quora, and these are fairly new. I just discovered this as of August 18, 2021. Now, this is going to be very surprising if you look here. So Quora, right here, if you read here, up until January 2020, Quora recorded 200 million unique visitors per month. By the end of 2020, the number grew to 300 million visitors per month. That's insane. That's a lot of people going to this platform, right? Going to this platform. And remember what I mentioned before, Quora is a question and answer website. People are asking questions like maybe how to lose weight, maybe how to save money, maybe how to invest, maybe how to travel around the world for cheap. Maybe they have, just people are going there to ask questions. So I want you to start using Quora because you can provide answers to people's questions. Now I want to show you something else that's interesting about Quora. Quora, if you look here, let me blow this up. Let me make this bigger. Let's see. Okay, Quora, look here. Here's some statistics. Okay, so these are some of the very popular niches in Quora. So the health niche there are many people asking questions in the health niche on Quora. Also, many people interested in fashion design asking questions about fashion design. Many people asking questions about business. Many people asking questions about everyday life. Many people asking questions about technology, about entertainment, about travel. So as you can see, there's a lot of people coming to Quora every month. So you want to start using Quora, and I'm going to show you how to use Quora. So all you got to do is you want to go to, let's go here. So I'm going to type out here, Quora, right? So just type out Quora and you're going to be taken here. Okay. Now, once you're here, I already created an account. All you do is you create an account, and what you're going to do is you're going to create what's called a profile. This is your profile, and you create this, and you're going to write a little bit about your background. So for example, I'm in the weight loss niche, so I'm a weight loss expert, I'm a weight loss coach. So if you look here, I'm telling people what I do and how I can help them, and I help people lose belly fat, right? And look what's interesting about this. I'm giving away a free report, so I can put my links here and people can click on them. So I'm giving away a free report. So when people come here to my profile, they click on it and it takes them to this website where I collect their emails, right? I'm giving away this free report. I collect the emails, and going back, I do this email marketing and I make money, right? So keep that in mind. All right. So going back here to Quora, right? We're going to go back to Quora. So let me see. I'm right here. Okay. So here. So this is my profile. I can put links, and I also put a link to my Facebook group. I have a Facebook group in the weight loss niche, right? That people can join. So you can put your links here. Now, the way you use Quora is you go here home and you're going to type out whatever niche you're in. So for example, I'm in a weight loss niche, and one of the most popular questions I get that people ask me is how to lose belly fat. Look, so I'm going to type out how to lose belly fat, and I'm going to show you how you can make money with this. This is very easy. So there's many questions here. Look at all these questions, and all you got to do is pick one of these questions and answer it. Write a short paragraph, maybe 5 or 7 sentences. So for example, look at this question: how do you lose belly fat, right? And there's people answering this. This person answered it on February 4th. Netsheen Dane, right here: lose belly fat and get a flat stomach by including these 5 vegetables in your diet. So he included a picture and he included the 5 vegetables, right? The one mistake he made was he didn't include any links. What I like about Quora is, as I mentioned before, you can include your links. You can include a link to your affiliate product. You can include your link to your landing page. As I mentioned before, this is my landing page, right, to collect emails. So you want to include a link. And look what's interesting about this. So this person posted this on February 4th, and look here. This person got 1,500 views. So imagine all these people going here and to read the answer. Imagine that, and that's free. So, and this, no one erases this answer. People are going to continue to come here to look for answers to how to lose belly fat. Now look at this person. This person answered it here on December 25th, 2017. It's old, but still people can go and here and read it. And this person got 631 views. That's pretty good, right? And so you can put your links here, and like as I mentioned before, this is an easy way to make money. Now, I know you may be thinking, I don't want to do extra work, right? I don't want to answer these questions. Well, it's simple. I'm going to show you here. I'm going to show you a secret hack for Quora. All right, secret hack. And this is how it works. All you do, you're going to highlight this. You're going to copy the question. You're going to go to Google. And after you go to Google, you're going to right there enter the question: how do you lose belly fat? Right? Okay. And then right here you get all these answers: 8 ways to lose belly fat. Boom, click on it, and that's it. And like, you don't have to, like, this person is given 8 ways to lose belly fat. You don't have to write 8 ways. I would recommend like 3 to 5 tips, 3 to 5 short tips, and you can just kind of don't copy word for word, but just get an idea. Like, for example, try curbing carbs. Right? Instead, try reducing carbs, or try eating less carbs. Or tip number 2 would be, instead of think eating plan, create a healthy plan instead of dieting. That can be an answer. And then keep moving, like move your body more often, and all you do is write maybe a couple sentences, and that's it. Just put it here, leave your links as I mentioned before, and then people will click on your links, and that's how you can make money. So going back here, right? So I want to summarize quickly. So the 3 powerful tips on how to start affiliate marketing with zero money, or zero investment. So step number 1 is direct linking. Step number 2 is email marketing, and step number 3 is use Quora. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this amazing training. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and how to start a profitable online business from home, then I want you to click the link down below, because I have an amazing free video that I want you to watch. And this video is going to show you how to start a profitable online business from home in just a matter of a few days. Also, I have an amazing free report that I want to give you, and all you need to do is click the link down below so you can get free instant access to your free report. And this free report is going to give you more information about how you can work from home and start a profitable online business so you can quit your job, work from home, and achieve financial freedom. Okay, I will see you next time. Bye.